Hello everyone, what's going on this morning? If y'all been following the last few videos, I have a water pump and I have a water pump to install. I got the bike on the table as you can see, and first thing I'm gonna do is undo two of the hoses and let the coolant drain. I actually went to Dollar Tree and bought a couple of foil pans. Yeah, they were pretty cheap. What, $1.25 for like two of these? So, yeah, don't go to the big box stores to buy your foil pans because they're a little pricey. So we're gonna get the bike jacked up and get those hoses undone. Got some buddies gonna come over and join me and harass me probably. I don't know. So we're gonna get started. All right, everybody, I shed some light on the situation. So I'm guessing you remove this hose and possibly this hose here. And then I haven't actually researched how that is actually clamped in there. I'm guessing it's this here. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And we will go from there. I'm going to take the overflow cap off. There we go. And I guess I'll take the radiator cap off. And there's two stages to the radiator cap, kind of like a car cap, and it's pretty, I heard it's kind of stubborn. If I can get it compressed in while I'm turning. I might have to have a friend of mine do it because my wrists and my hands aren't as strong as what they used to be. Tight. Yeah, it's got to go underneath that lip right there and then turn another turn, quarter turn, whatever, and then you can get the cap, the radiator cap off. So we got it off, and I'm going to set it right down here so I do not lose it. Grabbed a pair of pliers over here, channel locks. Try some channel locks, and then we'll get, there should be very much antifreeze or coolant in the system. So these are a little big for the job, but we're going to try them, and then I got a smaller pair here. There we go. Get it back over there. There we go. See how well that pan works out? In the video that I actually watched, they say that every 30,000 miles the coolant should be flushed out and put new coolant in. I've actually got 59,000 miles on this bike and never have touched it. So we're gonna let this drain out and we'll be back with you here in a little bit. All right, everybody, I got the old water pump off, and I know I've seen these clamps on another video, and I cannot remember what they're called, but I guess you're supposed to cut them off with maybe a pair of wire dikes. That's what I call them. And it takes a special tool to put them on. So leave me a comment down below if you can tell me what kind of clamp that is. So I'm going to try to get that off there. All the antifreeze looks to be out of there. It's really simple to pull the water pump off. Once you get the hoses off, it just slides on a couple of posts, and I'll show you that right here. This post and this post, it just slides on there. So, and I know they make a cover for these. I have seen those on eBay, and they're pretty reasonable. I don't know if they're plastic. I didn't look at them real close, but I wonder if that would be a good idea to put a cover on that. So, all right, I'm gonna see if I can figure this out. We'll see you here in a little bit. Everybody, I got the clamp off that I showed you a minute ago, and Marty came over, and I think I figured out why they sold me or sent me 2 new clamps, and that's one of them there. And I don't know what I did. Yeah, here it is. This here is the clamp that was on there. It was a compression clamp. I guess that's what you call it. And so we just put one of the new clamps on there, and we're going to use it. And hopefully, I also debated, because that is actually coming out the bottom of the pump. I'm kind of debating on whether to go get a regular hose clamp and put on there so it's good and tight. Because I don't want it slipping off. But I'm going to try this first, and then see if it's tight enough. If it's not tight enough, in my opinion, then I'm going to go get a small hose clamp. I don't have any small ones. I've got some bigger ones. So we'll go from there. But it was very, very simple to take off. All I had to do was slide it off those 2 posts. I think I showed you earlier. Undo these 2 hoses after I drained the antifreeze. So we'll see you here in a little bit. Getting ready to take the bike off the lift table, put it on the jiffy stand, kickstand, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to do a fill with the coolant. And there is a video that I did mention that helped me do this, and I will probably leave a link in the description and possibly leave it up here in the video so you can click on it and check it out. It's about a 4-year-old video, but it really it's really helping me out. We just got done watching it to refresh my memory of how to actually do it. All right. Not yet. I got it. Now I need a push. No, get up on the table. There. Good. There we go. All right, now we're going to do the fill. And I'm watching right there. It's right at the line. Next what I'm going to do is fill the radiator. till it's full. Right there. Whoop, no. Do some more. They said in the video that I watched, that I'm going to tag in this, it's less than a quart. Okay. Is it coming out the overflow? And I might be overfilling it, and it might be coming out the overflow. Nope. All right, I think we're there. Putting it in here is there's been a couple of bubbles, so there. All right, now.
You overflow it just?
Yes, I did. Now what they said in the video was to turn your ignition on, turn your throttle to 50% for 3 seconds, and then you'll see it go down. So we're going to try that. And it sucked it right in, as you've seen. So then we got to refill it and keep going. That's pretty cool. Maybe a hair more. Yeah, it's right. And you guys can see that. It's right to the top, I believe. I might need to put a little bit more in. There. Turn the ignition on. Throttle up 50% or more. Yep. And we will, looks like the overflow's over full. I don't know why. I filled it up to the line. Maybe because that hose got a kink in it. All right, we'll keep filling it up. This might take a few minutes, and we will get back with you here in a minute. Thanks. I think we're good. All the bubbles are gone. It's a little bit over on the overflow, which I don't think it's going to hurt anything. So we're going to get the caps on, button her up. I'm going to pull it out, let it idle, and see how it does. Should be good. Thanks for watching the video. Everything's good. I've backed it out here and I'm letting it idle. I'm going to let it get up to temperature, and yeah, I'm going to actually give it a bath today. Maybe, just maybe, I could make it look just about as good as this one. So, yeah. Yep. Hey, what year is your bike?
18.
That's a 2018, and it's got probably
7,300.
well, it's got 7,300 miles on it. He probably put 300 or 400 miles on it since he bought it, because he's at a 300 mile limit per year. Just kidding. That's what he said. He was only going to put 300 miles on it every year. So, yeah. We all need to get out and ride together. So, hey, thanks again for watching the video. Hey, if you have a water pump go out on your bike, don't be afraid to tackle it. It's easy. You can do it with a pair of pliers on the side of the road if you have to. Really, we were just discussing that. All you need is a pair of pliers. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up for me, please. And we'll see you on the next one. Say hi to a stranger, thank a veteran. And if you're a veteran, let me know down there in the comments, please. Thank you for your service. I really appreciate it. So, all right. Say bye.